Welcome to your local grocery store, where choices are abundant, but not all are created equal. Today we're diving deep into the world of food choices, exploring why 85% of what you see here might not be the best for your health. By the end of this video, you will know the difference between healthy and unhealthy choices in your grocery store. Let's navigate this maze together and learn how to shop for true wellness. Let's dive right in. First, let's define our terms. Foods can be categorized into several processing levels. First up, unprocessed or minimally processed foods. Think fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods are either untouched or have undergone minimal processing like washing, cutting, or packaging. Next up, processed culinary ingredients. Items like oils, butter, or sugar, which are used in cooking and are processed to some extent. Next up, processed foods. These include foods with added salt, oil, or preservatives, but still recognizable as their original food source, like canned vegetables or cheeses. And then finally, ultra-processed foods. Here's where things get tricky. Ultra-processed foods are formulations of ingredients, often including additives that you wouldn't typically use in home cooking. We're talking about sodas, packaged snacks, frozen dinners, and many breakfast cereals. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Why are ultra-processed foods considered bad for your health? Research suggests several reasons. Reason 1, nutritional deficiency. Ultra-processed foods often lack essential nutrients while being high in sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Next up, additives and chemicals. These foods contain preservatives, colorants, and flavor enhancers that can disrupt your body's natural processes, potentially leading to health issues like obesity, heart disease, and even mental health disorders. Next up, digestive impact. The structure of ultra-processed foods can affect digestion, leading to issues like gut inflammation or altered gut microbiota. Last on the list is addictive properties. The combination of fats, sugars, and flavors in ultra-processed foods can lead to overconsumption, much like an addictive substance. So, where should you focus your shopping? Here's your guide. Number 1, the produce section. Fruits and vegetables are your gold mine. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for variety and lots of colors. Next up, meat and fish section. Opt for fresh or frozen without added sauces or preservatives. Look for terms like free range or wild caught for better quality. Next up, dairy. If you consume dairy, stick to whole milk products or plain yogurt. Avoid flavored or sweetened versions. Next would be grains and legumes. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or lentils. These are less processed and retain more nutrients. And then last up, nuts and seeds. These are excellent for healthy fats and protein. Avoid any of these with added sugars or oils. Next on your shopping list are oils. Opt for extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil. These oils are less processed and healthier for cooking. And then lastly, you want to avoid the middle aisles. This is where most of the ultra-processed foods lurk. If you must venture here, look for items with the shortest ingredient list, ideally recognizable as food. Now you may be asking yourself why single ingredient or whole foods are better. Let's talk about that. First off, nutritional integrity. Whole foods contain all of their natural ingredients. They're not stripped or altered in any way. Next up, satiety. They keep you fuller longer due to fiber and water content. Next up, health benefits. From reducing inflammation to improving heart health, whole foods support your body's optimal functioning. And then lastly, taste and satisfaction. Real food often tastes better and satisfies more than their highly processed counterparts. Let's talk about how to maximize your time at the grocery store. First of all, always read the labels of anything that has a label. If it has a long list of ingredients, especially with unpronounceable names, it's more than likely highly processed. Next, shop the perimeter of the grocery store. Fresh foods tend to line the outer edges of stores. Third, you want to plan ahead. Knowing what you plan to cook can prevent impulse buying of ultra-processed foods. And while we're on that topic, make a shopping list and stick to it. Again, this will help you prevent impulse buying. And then lastly, educate yourself. Use resources like posts from YouTube or X for real-time trends and tips. Remember, your grocery cart is your health cart. By focusing on whole, single-ingredient foods, you're not just eating, you're investing in your health. Next time you're here, think about where your food comes from and what it does to your body. Choose wisely, and let's make health the new normal in our lives. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone that you know that could benefit from these tips on how to shop at the grocery store in a smarter and healthier way. Also, please comment below and let us know what changes you plan to make when you do go grocery shopping. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.